Don't wait for the signs to show up. Don't wait for things to turn south before you start acting. Instead, take proactive measures to improve or remain in good health. There are several medical tests that every adult should get done routinely. Such tests are important to keep you in good health. And if there's something to worry about, early diagnosis will make all the difference in managing that problem and proffering treatment. Here are 7 medical tests to get done in 2021 for a healthy future. 1. ECG. Electrocardiogram test records electrical signals sent from the heart as it contracts. The test helps diagnose different heart conditions or cardiac abnormalities. Everyone once past 30 years of age should do an ECG every once in a while to ensure healthy heart function. 2. HIV test. If you live a sexually active life, an HIV test is a must. The antibody test checks for antibodies that the immune system produces as a reaction to HIV infection. It can take up to 12 weeks to detect the infection. 3. Mammography. Mammography helps diagnose breast cancer in women. The low-energy X-rays screen breasts and look for abnormalities like microcalcifications. Google mammogram screening near me and find a good health facility that offers affordable mammography services. 4. The 1C. Hemoglobin A1C is a type of blood glucose test that tells the average blood sugar level in the past 2-3 months. People who are at a higher risk of developing diabetes should ideally take the 1C at least 3 times a year to keep a check on their blood glucose level. 5. Lipid profile. Lipid profile helps diagnose any abnormalities in lipids. It is used to measure the amount of cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood. Abnormal values can mean underlying issues like cardiovascular disease. 6. TSH test. Thyroid stimulating hormone test is done to measure the amount of this hormone. The values help doctors interpret whether the thyroid gland is performing well, overperforming, or underperforming. 7. 25-hydroxy vitamin D test. 42% of Americans are vitamin D deficient. This test helps to measure the amount of vitamin D in your body. It tells whether you're deficient or have higher levels of this essential nutrient. Depending on your existing health needs and requirements, you may be required to go for other medical tests as well. Consult your doctor to find out which medical tests you should get done for proper diagnosis and screening.